All right, gang. So we went over all the candlestick patterns that you will see during a downtrend, except for the last one, which is the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Obviously, it's the head and shoulder pattern. It goes up, down, head, down, shoulder, downtrend. That's for uptrend though. But you will see this candlestick pattern. All the candlestick patterns I just showed you, you'll see during the end of a downtrend, letting us know. You can see the head and shoulder pattern, shoulder, head, shoulder, downtrend. The ones I'm about to show you is the last one. All the ones I just showed you are the ones that you'll see during a downtrend, letting you know that we're heading back up. All right, so it's a reversal, letting us know that this downtrend is no longer in effect, and now we're heading back up. And this is inverted, inverse head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern. So it'll go down, create the first shoulder, go back up, go back down, create the head, and then go back up, and then create a shoulder, and then go back up. It's just almost like the double bottom pattern as it goes down, goes up, goes down again, and then goes back up, creating a W formation. Just like the double bottom pattern, creating a W, but it's uh, three, uh, three pattern formation, candlestick formation, double bottoms on your two. So it's called the inverse head and shoulder pattern, as it will go down, create the first shoulder, go up, go down again, create the head, go up again, and then go back down, create the last shoulder, and then go back up. The head will be the lowest point, um, and the shoulders will never go below the head. All right, so these formations occur after extended downwards movement. You'll see this candlestick, occurs after extended downwards movement. You'll see inverse head and shoulder, and I'll show you that in the market right now. The valley will form a shoulder, followed by even lower valley forming a head, and then another higher valley forming another shoulder. So I'll call inverse head and shoulder patterns the triple candlestick pattern. All right, so with this formation, you'll see the head shoulder pattern, and it'll go down, create the first shoulder, go up again, head back down, create the head, go up again, and then create the last shoulder, and then boom, uptrend. All right, so let me show that too in the market, and that's all the candlestick patterns that you will see. This is letting us know that prices wants to continue to move up, continue going up as you see this inverse head and shoulder pattern. That's what it'll tell you. Price wants to continue going up. As you can see, after we see the shoulder, head up, head, head up again, shoulder, we see an uptrend right after that. So it's called inverse head and shoulder. It's the opposite of a head and shoulder pattern that you see during an uptrend. You see this during a downtrend after a strong downtrend. You see a head and shoulder pattern after a strong uptrend. After a strong uptrend, this is when you see the head and shoulder pattern. So this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern that you will see in the market. And that's all the candlestick patterns that you'll see: hammer, Morningstar, bullish, Marubozo, bullish engulfing pattern, tweezer bottom, double bottom, and inverted head and shoulder pattern. All right, gang. So let me show you that in the market as well. As you can see again, shoulder up, down again, creates a head, goes back up, and then one more time it goes down. It'll go down 3 times, creating 2 shoulders in the head called inverse head and shoulder, and then we're in an uptrend. As you can see, boom, uptrend, boom, price shoots up. All right, so let me show you that as well. That's all the candlestick patterns as you'll see as far as going up. So you see our inverse head and shoulder pattern that's created after a downtrend. Boom, candlesticks are below this trend line. We'll create a shoulder. Boom, go back up. Create the head. You can see the head is lower than this. The head is lower than this shoulder, and you see the last shoulder. So you see the 2 shoulders and the head, inverse head and shoulder, and then uptrend from 1786 all the way up to 1830. You see the inverted head and shoulder pattern after a downtrend. See the downtrend, boom, you'll see it. 2 shoulders and then the head. Okay, same thing over here. You can see it as well. 2 shoulders, boom, 1 shoulder, 2 shoulder. The head is below the 2 shoulders. All right, so you see it right here as well. 2 shoulders and the head, inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let us know that we're now in the uptrend, and it's as well here. 2 shoulders and then the head's right here, inverse head and shoulder. Let us know now we're in the uptrend. You see we're in the uptrend. and all the way up to take profit 6, you know, at 1853, the highest point price gold has been at this year. You know, gold likes to move very, very fast, gang. So I just wanted to show y'all all the triple candlestick patterns, double candlestick patterns, single candlestick patterns that you will see after a major downtrend, letting us know that we're heading back up. All right, gang. As I show you all the ones, letting you know that we're heading back down after an uptrend. So these are all the candlestick patterns that you will see. I'll show you again the head and shoulder pattern again one more time. You can see it goes down, goes back up, goes makes the head, goes up again, and then makes the shoulder uptrend, two shoulders, head. As you see again, boom. You can see the two shoulders and then the head uptrend, two shoulders here, head uptrend. So this inverse head and shoulder pattern. So again, we just want to I just want y'all to recognize all candlestick patterns, as you'll see this a lot in the market. So I show you all the candlestick patterns that you will see in the market, most likely as far as the uptrends and downtrends. All right, so just want to put everything together as far as our take profit levels, Fibonacci, candlestick patterns. Understanding candlestick patterns is extremely important to understand candlestick patterns, as you'll see in the market as we head into February and March into this new year, 2022, gang. I just want to show y'all all the candlestick patterns. Those are all the candlestick patterns that you'll see in this market. There are other ones as well, but these are the most ones that you'll see in this market. All right, gang, that I most likely see in this market. You'll see Morningstar, inverse head and shoulder pattern, hammer, yellow Marubozo candlestick. See the long yellow Marubozo candlestick, letting know we're in an uptrend single candlestick pattern. See the black one as well. So you'll see them as a lot in this market. You see yellow Marubozo candlestick, bullish engulfing pattern candlesticks, yellow candlestick engulfing the black candlestick. You'll see these candlesticks a lot, gang. I just wanted to show y'all that yellow Marubozo candlestick right here as well. Boom. I just wanted to show y'all these candlestick patterns, okay, gang? I'll be dropping a lot of more content. See the two shoulders, head, two shoulders, head. All right, inverse head and shoulder pattern. All right, gang, so we're going to put it all together. We got to put everything together when we're trading in this market so you can make as much money, you know, in this market as you can, you know. So these candlestick patterns perform over and over and over again, gang. I just wanted to show y'all these candlestick patterns, extremely, extremely important. All right, gang. So study these videos. I'll be dropping a lot of more content. All right. So I hope these videos help. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang.